And we're back for the last step. The last thing I want to show you is your news feed, which is presented on your page. Let me show you here on the news page. Down here you will find your news feed. It's just articles that you can post on your news page. And well, to adjust these, you will have to open the index page because that's where it's located. So just open it and edit it with Notepad. Let's reorganize here a little bit. So index page, and right here starts the newsfeed content. I've created a few articles for you so you can just fill in your own information. Here are your subheaders. Just substitute the black text to your own likings. Here's the content, and it's followed by a blank line, and then here I've inserted an image. And I separate the image from the content text by a blank line. Well, let me see. Here is a article with a YouTube video, and here's your subheader again, your content, and then there's the video. And separate the video from the content text by a blank line again, using my two friends there. This is actually the same as on the showreel page. You can just use the embed code from a YouTube video and well, substitute this link with it. But I've already got this link on my showreel page, which I will open right now, and I will just substitute that link with the link from my showreel page. So I'm gonna copy that link and paste it onto my newsfeed article. If I would like another article with a YouTube video, just copy paste the whole article, and there it is. And you can adjust everything to your likings again. And here I have an article. I will show you the text is actually red. And it's a very neat trick. We can use a div clause or whatever you call it, and you can adjust the style there, which is specifically for the text that's between that div clause and the slash div clause. So that style only applies to that text between those two clauses. And I can adjust, for example, font weight, and maybe I'll try to make one page where I have a couple of these codes that are very easy to use throughout your page. But I will do that later. Look, if I refresh my browser now, the text is bold. It's very easy, very handy, I think. And here will be your two videos that we just inserted. Well, I think here is, yeah, this is the image actually that I'm using in my news feed, and the image goes inside your photos folder, and you will have to give it a name, of course, which will correspond to this name that will be here. So if I call it newsfeed image 1, I will have to have an image in my images folder and photos folder that is called newsfeed image 1. And it's not there right now, but if you'd like an original image there, you will have to bring one in there, and then it will show on your page. So let me see. I think we've covered everything now, and we're gonna upload your website to the internet, and for that you will need FileZilla, the link you can find on my links site from PortfolioLeaf.com. And what you also need is a domain name and hosting space. And a domain name can be seen as a product that you would like to sell, and products can be sold on a market. And the product is the domain name, and the market space where you can actually present your product is the hosting space. And therefore we go to Google, search for host, and you will see a lot of hosting providers. These are all Dutch because I'm in the Netherlands right now. I'm using RoboHost. I don't want to advertise for these people, but I'm just using this one. And well, I'm gonna order a hosting pack, 10 gigabytes. Every time people download images or pages from your website, it's a traffic, and that's actually what you pay for. So I'm gonna test whether this domain name is actually taken or not, and it's free, so I can buy this one. I think people can remember this name very easily. I pay for my hosting pack, 10 gigabytes. I'm just gonna continue. You will have to pay around 30 euros a year, and then your website will be online 24/7. I think it's a fair deal, so I'm gonna pay for this. Well, you will have to pay for it if you like this website, test 7777700, really easy to remember. I don't think I'm gonna do it, but you will be sent a code, FTP code, and a username and a password, and you just fill them in here. And well, sometimes it's FTP.your website, and sometimes the FTP is left is left away. And well, just connect to the internet, to your website, using FileZilla. And then you will see the folders here. There they are. And go to your public_HTML folder, and here, well, I have some files already, but just the right side is your website online, and the left is your computer. Just look for your website folder and just select everything inside it. Control A, select everything, and just drag it to the right, and then your whole web page will will upload. And when it's done, you can view your website on your website URL in your browser, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and please share and like my page if you liked it.